Sometimes customers need a real person. Here's how your chatbot seamlessly connects them to staff for help in specific areas. A customer starts a chat with your agent. The chat agent replies instantly with helpful guidance, answering the common questions first. But then, the customer asks to speak with a human, maybe for something more specific like billing, appointments, or tech support. At this point, the chatbot doesn't just stop. It notifies the right staff member about the inquiry. Along with all the context already shared, the staff member joins the thread, right where the customer left off, and responds directly. They discuss the issue in detail, share information back and forth, and confirm the next steps. The customer gets the help they needed quickly, and the entire conversation is saved in Quick Hub for your records. That's it. Your chatbot handles the routine, then routes to the right human when it matters. So your customers always get fast, specific help every time.